Kawasaki Craftsmanship shines brightest in the details. Throughout Ridge, you'll feel the difference in comfort and quality. Precisely designed and tested, every single component prioritizes an outstanding ride quality that's meant to stand the test of time. This means that Ridge won't let you down when you need it most. Kawasaki's reputation for building reliable side-by-sides didn't come overnight.
That one's still going strong.
It was earned. And the latest proof is a first-class ride that's built to last.